Yo, 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 back at it again. After a little cop watch, you'll see that on my channel. This is a government building. Look at the place. Fucking flash. So all the money they spend on the government buildings, look, they're always recording us. So let's go record them, eh? Close your blinds then. Close your blinds. Public building, I'm guessing. What do you mean?
You should not be videoing here.
Hey? It's a public building. There's a what? Why is that?
Please leave.
Why is that? It's a public building.
Because you are not allowed to film in here.
Where's the signs?
The signs are there. Look. Okay, you can go.
Is there a law back behind,
Yes,
behind
there is.
that?
Please go.
Is there a law back behind that?
Please go.
Yeah, I will in a sec. I won't be here long. It's only a small lobby. I just want to see what No need to carry on. Yeah, you could speak nice and be polite, and I would have left. If you weren't yelling and screaming, I would have just walked straight out. There's no need to yell and scream, darling. You can be nice. I better respect that sign, even though there's no law backing behind it. It's a government building. Look at them signs everywhere, no recording. No signs out here. Very nice public buildings. There's an elevator inspections. He got a good name, that bloke. Did you call the police? I'll have to wait around for him if... I'll wait around for him if they did. Hey ma'am, did you call the police? I'll wait around for him if you did. Ma'am? Miss, did you call the police? I'll wait around for him if you did. Otherwise I don't want to walk off. No answer. Rude government workers. That's all you get from the rude government workers. No, it's not. Oh, well, let's go to the next government building. This won't tell me, so I think I might just make my way. This is the government building. Down in the garage, underground car park for the government. Another government building. I went crazy in there, didn't I? Karen's, no recording, get out. Should be a sign on the front door, not just inside. How did I know? NDIS building. Fancy little fake grass in the courtyard. Cameras everywhere. Private, that one. I know these are government buildings, all up there. Excuse me. So we get to go to these buildings. There you go, I'm just doing a video in the local government buildings. What services do you offer here?
This is NDIS.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
National Disability Insurance Agency.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Good cause, beautiful. I'll just let my viewers have a quick look around and then I'll be out of here. This is a government agency, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, all government buildings.
Yeah, I only go to government buildings. It's public building. Taxpayers pay for it. Pardon?
Where's your ordinance at?
All over the internet.
Like YouTube? TikTok?
Yeah, all of them.
Oh, you.
Yeah, upload to all of them.
Yeah, no, you can't record us. You said you record in all government buildings.
All government buildings. All public buildings, all government buildings.
You can't record us, you're not allowed to.
Here we are.
No, we're not.
You work for the tax.
We call the police.
You work for the
Federal
taxpayers.
government. No, we don't.
You work
It's a
for-
federal government building, you cannot record us. If you don't leave now, we'll call the police.
I'll call them. I don't care.
Okay, thank you.
I won't be long. You haven't got no sign saying that I can't record.
Press the button. Done.
You don't have to press a button. I'm being polite. I was being nice to you guys, and then you come out and being rude. I won't be here long. It's a very small lobby. I just wanted to show the people what services we have for the people. You don't need to press a button. I'm on my way out. All right, no worries. I'll have them come running. Here we go. Government agency. Thank you, ladies. Panic alarm. Panic button. Haven't done many government buildings, but let's just see. Just wait around for them. Oh, sit over here and wait. Sit out here and wait for the police. I'll come back to you guys. It was like it was a camera of mass destruction, that one. They're all out at the desk, freaking out. Let's see how many coppers come for the man with the camera. Hey guys. I might end this video here and go live just in case. I think that might be the best bet. Alright guys, that's a quick video for you. Police are on the way. Panic button has been pressed. It's two lovely ladies and then one Karen. So I think we might end it here. And then go live, eh? I don't know what to do. Open. Alright peoples, we'll end it there. Laters.